lock up and store it, but still be able to store it in their pallet rack. So what we do is we use these wire panels to enclose the rack, and we, in this particular case, since this rack's up against the wall, we use an end panel that bolts directly to the upright via these brackets. And then we have bifolding doors here that mount to the front. So basically this is 10 foot high by 8 foot wide. And so you basically have two 4-foot swing doors that open up. And they have a padlock that you can put in the middle. Now you can access this area. And then when you're not using it, you secure it back. And that way your product stays safe and sound. We've done this on about 6 sections of the rack, again, to keep their product secured.